So in this kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to book a one-way flight here on kayak.com. So once kayak.com is opened up, I want you to go ahead and make sure that the flights tab right here is highlighted. Then go down to where it says one way. So for me, I actually do have one way selected, but if yours says round trip, just go ahead and press on one way, then select your city from where you're flying to where you're flying to, select the dates, and then just go ahead and press on search if all looks good. So I'll use Vancouver to Toronto for this example. It'll then redirect you to another page where you can go ahead and view a bunch of different flights that are being offered. So you can go ahead and kind of sort this by the cheapest, the best, or the quickest. You can also view flights that are direct only, flights that have layovers. You can add bags. You can go ahead and change the times, the airlines, etc. But if you just want to go ahead and browse flights, we'll just go ahead and press on this one for an example. You can go ahead and press on select once you found a flight that you like. Once you're here, you can go ahead and choose a fare, then scroll down and choose what website you want to book it through. So this is a good way of comparing the prices based on where you book it through. And if all looks good, you can go ahead and press on book, and it'll redirect you to that website, and then you can go ahead and book the flight that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to book a one-way flight on kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.